Good morning.
Dear students, we know that a presentation is a combination of many slides. So, to create a presentation, first of all, we have to prepare the slides. Now, let us see how can we create the slides. When you create a blank presentation, a slide appears on the screen with two placeholders. So click inside a placeholder to enter text. A cursor appears, then type the text. After you finish typing the text, click outside the placeholder. In this way, we can add text in a slide. Now, how can we add a new slide? To add a new slide, click slide icon on the standard bar. Then the new slide is inserted in your presentation that we can see at the left side, slides pane. Now, we have seen that when we start a blank presentation, there will be two placeholders. Suppose if you want to add more placeholders or text box, how can we do that? First of all, select the slide where you want to add a text box. Then click icon T on the drawing bar. Then the cursor will change. Drag to draw a text box where you want to add text. Then type the text you want using the keyboard and click anywhere outside the text box after typing. So this is the method to add a new text box in a blank line. I will repeat the steps. First of all, you have to select the slide where you want to add text box. Then click text icon on the drawing bar. After that, drag to draw a text box where you want to add text. Then type the text you want using the keyboard and click anywhere outside the text box. Now, just like in OpenOffice Writer, here also we can format the text. To format the text, there are different options in the toolbar: bold, italic, underline. And also you can change its font, size, style, color and alignment. It is just like our OpenOffice Writer. Now, to make the presentation more attractive, we have to insert some pictures. We can add pictures in two ways. First, from gallery or from file. Let us see how can we add pictures from the gallery. To insert pictures using gallery, first of all, click gallery icon on the drawing bar. Then the gallery window appears. Select the theme you want from the left pane. Select the required picture from the right pane. Drag and drop the picture on the slide. I repeat. Click gallery icon on the drawing bar. The gallery window appears on the upper part of the slide. Select the theme you want from the left pane. Select the required picture from the right pane. Then drag and drop the picture on the slide. Now how can we insert pictures from file? For that, click from file icon on the drawing bar. Then the insert picture dialog box appears. Select the picture file you want to insert. Then click the open button. Then you can see the selected picture on the slide. some font work is also available in this presentation software. So to insert a font work, first of all click on font work gallery. Then a gallery appears with different font work styles. From that styles, select the style of your choice. Then the selected font work appears in your selected style. Double click and type your own text and click outside the text box. Now the next is to insert slide number. To insert a slide number means we are marking the position of the slide within the presentation. So for that, first of all click insert menu, then select page number option. The header and footer dialog box appears. Click on the slide number checkbox. Then click apply to all. To delete a text, select the slide you want to delete, then press the delete button or click edit menu, delete slide option. Saving a presentation, that is also just like the saving process in OpenOffice Writer. For that, first of all click on file menu, then click save option. A save as dialog box appears. Type the file name and click save button. After creating a presentation, we have to see that as a slideshow. For that, click slideshow menu, click slideshow option. Then you see your slides on full screen. Click your mouse each time to see the next slide. After preparing all that, we have to close the presentation. To close the presentation, click on file menu and click close option. If the current file is unsaved, Impress displays a dialog box asking you to choose whether or not to save your file. Click Save if you wish to save, otherwise click on Discard button. You can choose Cancel to return to your presentation without saving it. After closing the file, we can open it by using these steps. Click on File menu, click Open option, then the Open dialog box appears. Select the file to be opened, then click the Open button. Now you can see the selected presentation on the screen. After preparing all these presentation, we can take the printout also. For that, click on File menu, select the print option, Then the print dialog box appears. Click print button. And also to close all OpenOffice Impress files, click File and Exit button. Dear students, these are the main activities that we can do by using this software Impress. The exercise page that are given in your textbook you can see in the docs file. So let us see in the next class. Thank you.